Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix marathon game not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, crashing, stuck on loading screen, black screen or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. The first method is to restart the game. For that, select your game from home screen or press menu button on controller, then select quit. Finally, restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. Next method is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, select settings and choose network settings. Now click on test network connection, wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next solution is to clear persistent storage. So this will help you to clear the cache data. For that, open settings, choose device and connections, click on Blu-ray, now select persistent storage and then select clear persistent storage. Next method is to clear Xbox cache. For that, open settings, click on system, click on storage, then highlight storage device and press Y button on controller for device options. Under it, choose clear system cache and at last confirm it by selecting yes. Next is to perform power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next method is to check for marathon update. So, you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues. So make sure you check if there is an update available, and after updating the game, now try to launch it and then check if it's working. If not, next method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First, open settings on your Xbox, select system and then select updates. Here check if an update is available and click on to begin the updating process. Next is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next, go to account and click on remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove and then select remove option. After that, add the account again. Next solution is to check storage. For that, press Xbox button, go to profile and system. Click on settings, click on system, click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create some space. Next is to reinstall marathon game. For that, press Xbox button, controller, then move to my games and apps. Select see all option. Here select marathon, now press menu button, select uninstall. After the game is removed, open Marathon official website and download the game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end. And you can play the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.